Think you understand technical debt? Most people think they do, but many experienced developers, project managers, and even business leaders get these questions wrong. Today, you'll face 10 statements about one of the most misunderstood concepts in software development. No hints, no Googling, just your instincts. After every question, I'll reveal the answer and explain why it matters in the real world. Keep track of your score, and let's find out if you can separate fact from fiction. Question 1. Here's your first statement. Technical debt only refers to poorly written code. The answer is fiction. Technical debt is much broader than messy code. It can include poor architecture, missing documentation, rushed testing, outdated libraries, weak security practices, inconsistent coding standards, and shortcuts made to meet deadlines. Any decision that makes future work harder can create technical debt. Understanding this helps organizations manage software more effectively instead of blaming developers alone. Question 2. Next statement. Every software application accumulates some technical debt over time. The answer is fact. Even well-designed software evolves. New features, changing customer needs, security updates, technology changes, and business priorities all introduce compromises. The goal isn't to eliminate technical debt completely. It's to manage it before it becomes expensive and slows future development. Question 3. Let's continue. Technical debt only affects software developers. The answer is fiction. Technical debt affects everyone. Product managers may experience delayed releases, customer support teams may deal with recurring issues, sales teams can struggle with missing features, executives face rising costs, and customers experience bugs and slower innovation. Technical debt is ultimately a business problem, not just an engineering problem. Question 4. Pay attention to this one. Launching a product quickly can sometimes justify taking on technical debt. The answer is fact. Sometimes speed creates opportunity. Releasing an MVP, validating an idea, or responding to urgent market demands may justify intentional technical debt. The important part is having a plan to repay that debt before it grows into a major obstacle. Strategic shortcuts can create value, but permanent shortcuts become expensive. Question 5. We're halfway there. Refactoring code is one way to reduce technical debt. The answer is fact. Refactoring improves the internal structure of software without changing how it behaves. Cleaner code becomes easier to understand, test, maintain, and expand. Regular refactoring helps prevent small problems from becoming major development bottlenecks later. Question 6. Let's raise the difficulty. The longer technical debt is ignored, the more expensive it usually becomes to fix. The answer is fact. This is why it's called debt. Like financial debt, interest accumulates. Small issues eventually spread across systems, increasing maintenance costs, introducing bugs, slowing development, and making new features harder to build. Fixing problems early is usually much cheaper than waiting years. Question 7. This one catches people off guard. Buying new software automatically eliminates existing technical debt. The answer is fiction. Replacing software often introduces new challenges. Legacy data must be migrated, integrations rebuilt, users retrained, and custom processes recreated. Without proper planning, organizations may simply exchange one form of technical debt for another. New technology is not a magic solution. Question 8. Stay focused. Lack of documentation can contribute to technical debt. The answer is fact. Documentation helps teams understand systems, onboard new developers, troubleshoot issues, and maintain software efficiently. When documentation is missing or outdated, knowledge becomes trapped in individuals' heads, making future changes slower, riskier, and more expensive. Question 9. Almost there. Technical debt only exists in large enterprise organizations. The answer is fiction. Technical debt exists wherever software exists. Startups often accumulate debt while moving quickly. Small businesses face it when maintaining limited resources. Freelancers encounter it on personal projects. Large enterprises simply experience it on a much bigger scale. Question 10. This is the final question, and it's the one that surprises most people. Some technical debt can actually create business value when managed correctly. The answer is fact. Not all technical debt is bad. Deliberately accepting manageable technical debt can help businesses launch products faster, test ideas earlier, gain customers, or beat competitors to market. The key difference is whether the debt is intentional, documented, monitored, and eventually repaid. Successful technology companies don't avoid technical debt entirely. They manage it strategically. So, how did you score? Did you get all 10? Or did technical debt surprise you? Drop your score in the comments. We'd love to see who earned a perfect 10. If you scored 8 or higher, congratulations. You have a strong understanding of one of software development's most important concepts. If you scored lower, don't worry. Every question you missed is something you know now. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We release new fact or fiction quizzes covering software development, AI, technology, cybersecurity, project management, and digital innovation. Thanks for watching. And remember, the smartest professionals never stop learning.